Hello friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. This is today's quote. Please go through the disclaimer. Today is 8th June 2020. So we'll discuss about tomorrow's trade, that is 9th June 2020. Straight away we'll go to the technical charts. This is the Nifty, a daily chart. See, I explained in my previous video the levels. See what happened today. Just I'll remove these tools. So see this 10,276 and the gap 294. The zone is very important. The thing is, price went above the zone but not sustained and came back, closed the lower edge of the zone. So now we have to trade very cautiously on the higher side. Once the price closed above today's high, today high is let's see what is today high. Yeah, today high is 10,328. If the price is closed above 10,300, then only we can expect the price may rally to the next level of 10,700 or 10,800 kind of levels. So before that, there may be some consolidation in this area. The area is like this. We take from here this low. So 9,900 and 10,300. The zone is very important. There may be some consolidation in between this 400 point range. So for the time being, this will give you some demand area here. So 10,030 and 9,950 zone. For how to trade tomorrow, we'll see on a 15-minute chart. Yeah, this is the 15-minute chart of Nifty. Okay. Sorry, this was the yesterday's trade plan. I'll remove all the tools. Yeah. So see, today the gap up open and filled the gap and stayed lower edge of the gap. That is the most important. So now for tomorrow, the decent demand area is this. So 10,060 and 10,040. The idea should be like this. If the price comes to this zone, it is an entry point somewhere here. So 10,050 or 60 kind of levels. Keep a stop loss below this area. It's about 50 point stop loss. And aim for a target of, So tomorrow's trade idea is like this. If the price comes to around 10,050 or 60 kind of levels, there is a buying opportunity and keep a 50 point stop loss. Aim for 100 point target. So 100 point profit as a target. 1:2 is the risk to reward. So this way we can have it tomorrow's trade setup. And we'll see the Bank Nifty also for tomorrow. This is Bank Nifty 15-minute chart. If you see today, it opened gap up, enter into this daily supply zone. This supply zone explained in my previous video. So this is the supply and it broken the downside the supply. It went to supply and came back from the supply. So this is the shorting area. So made a decent profit. So and closed the gap. So for tomorrow, the two areas, if the price opens in between, this will become a demand. The high probability of trade is like this. If the price comes to this area, then there is a buying opportunity. Entry around 10,500, 100 point stop loss or 110, 115. Oh, so stop loss is very high. So our entry will make a lower entry because the risk to reward is important. So 150 points of risk and aim for a target of this one, previous day closing. So here you can take more aggressive entry at the 500 points itself, because the target is very good target. So we can enter at 20,500 or 520 kind of levels and keep a stop loss below 20,400 and aim for a target of 21,100 kind of levels as a target. So tomorrow's trade for Bank Nifty. And we'll see two stocks for tomorrow's trade. One is PVR. PVR is a shorting opportunity, and GAIL, Gas Authority of India, is for buying. We'll see why we have to go for a short and why we have to buy GAIL. We'll see the two stocks now. First we'll go to PVR. See, this is the PVR daily chart. If you see, this was the previous supply. Today it went above the supply and fallen. And one more supply area is there on the top at 1340 and 1440 kind of levels. So that is a big area where we can easily go for a short on a positional basis. But time being, tomorrow what will happen? If the price breaks below, there is a high probability of testing this kind of level, 1050. Now it closed at 1150. So for tomorrow's intraday trade, we have to plan on a 15-minute chart, and we'll see. Yeah, this is the PVR 15-minute chart. So tomorrow's trade is like this. This is the decent supply. So 1210 and 1240, in between we can enter as a short entry and keep a stop above 41, so 1245 or 46, and the target is here. This is the best target where we can take out our profit. So this is the PVR, a shorting entry for exclusively only tomorrow's trade. I am following only demand supply rules. As per that, this is the trade setup. Yeah, in my previous video I explained about SBI. Today SBI has given a decent profit from 197 is a shorting, and it made the low of 185.50. So here this is the PVR for tomorrow, and one more stock is GAIL, Gas Authority of India, for a buying opportunity tomorrow intraday. This is GAIL daily chart. If you see this here, this is the breakout level at 100 rupees. It went up to 104.75. The supply is at 108 and 111 area. So there is a probability of testing this 110 level in maybe tomorrow or day after 2-3 days. But intraday trade for tomorrow only, how we have to trade, we'll see now. This is GAIL 15 minutes chart. If you see the rally, base and consolidated here, tomorrow if any chance, if it comes to this area, is a buying opportunity. So our entry should be somewhere here, 101.75, and keep a stop loss below 175, maybe 2 rupee stop loss we can keep, or 1 rupee 50 paisa, right? And aim for a target of this. So this way you can trade GAIL for tomorrow. So friends, I discussed about Nifty, Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trade, and two stocks. One is a PVR, another is GAIL. PVR for a shorting opportunity and GAIL is for a long buying opportunity. So friends, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe.